Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into how to build powerful agentic AI systems using AWS Bedrock. This diagram shows a complex but fascinating workflow, so let's break it down step by step. It all starts with the users. They interact with our system through a Streamlit GUI. Think of this as the user-friendly interface where you ask questions or give commands. Now, the heart of our system is the orchestrator agent. This agent acts like a traffic controller, directing the flow of information and tasks. From here, the orchestrator agent can trigger three main actions: database action, API agent action, and KB agent action. Let's look at each one. First, the database action. This involves the query generation agent, which takes the user's input and turns it into a query. It then uses the database schema knowledge base in OpenSearch to understand the database structure and generate the right SQL query. This text-to-SQL step is crucial. It translates natural language into a language the database understands. If needed, a query correction agent refines the query. Finally, the query is executed against an RDS database, retrieving the relevant data. Next, we have the API agent action. This uses the REST API agent and a REST API Lambda function to interact with external APIs. This allows our AI to access and use data from sources outside our system, like third-party services. Lastly, the KB agent action. This uses the KB agent and the Q&A knowledge base in OpenSearch to find information within our own knowledge base. This knowledge base is sourced from S3, allowing us to store and retrieve large amounts of data. This is particularly useful for Q&A tasks. Underpinning all of this are powerful AWS services. We're using the Bedrock model Claude 3 Haiku for language processing and Titan Text Embeddings v2 for creating vector embeddings. All of this can be connected to your corporate data center, allowing seamless integration with your existing infrastructure. So, to recap, users interact through a GUI, the orchestrator agent directs the flow, and specialized agents access databases, APIs, and knowledge bases using powerful AWS services. This is just a glimpse of what you can build with Agentic AI on AWS Bedrock. If you want to learn more, check out the links in the description and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials.